yun?
Tell us about an incident that really terrified you.
Ayun na yun.
What the fuck?
Perseverance
Why
is.
me? Ano?
Puro ano na fill in the blanks yung kay
Puro
Kuya.
ano yun. Perseverance is.
Mayeni. You persevere, Mayeni. That's true.
Yun niya mismo eh. Perseverance eh, di ba?
Mayeni.
Sis,
Mayeni nga.
your turn.
Bakit pa yun? Perseverance.
Kuya, perseverance is Mayeni. Pinersevere mo siya eh.
Di ba? Ayaw pa
Ikaw na, your
nga.
turn.
Pinakasalan mo pa nga ako. Ano?
Your turn, Sism.
Happiness is the one. And money. Ang namputi. Kasunod yun eh.
Is there anything that you would like to open up to the group?
Oh, you open up that.
Yes,
Open
my
up.
wallet.
Oh, I like that so much. Thank you very, very much.
Kuya, ilagay mo dito.
Okay.
Oh, Sism, next. Dito, huwag ka na mamili. Diyan lang.
Ah, dito lang.
Ano
Ipakabaw
order
lang. Nachos naman.
Nachos.
Render a favorite tune you used to sing as a child.
Ayan.
Ang pechay. Ano mga kapechay?
Laway ka pa, mami.
Kuya, your turn.
I-edit mo yan nang wala akong ebangs.
The group may ask you now their questions. Wala naman kayo.
Oh, Kuya, what is the most beautiful thing about
Ano ba naman
marriage?
About marriage now.
Beautiful
Of
thing
course,
about
when I jump
Yeah.
on the bed.
Kailangan ko ng pruweba dito. I-edit. Kuya, hindi naman ikaw. Kuya, ano sagot?
Ang hirap naman yan. Ano ba ito, Miss Universe? Ang hirap
Sabi
naman
mo
ng mga
kanina,
tanong mo.
basic eh.
Ang
Sagot!
hirap. Next question, next question.
O hindi pwedeng next question.
Ano ba yun?
What's the most beautiful thing about marriage?
The most beautiful things about marriage?
Yeah.
Oh,
Ano?
ano, sexy time.
Okay, good
When I
answer.
jump on the bed.
Chocolate or sex?
Sexy time nga yun, mami.
Sis,
yun nga.
chocolate or sex?
Chocolate.
Lights on or
Chocolate,
lights?
chocolate on top
Ano ba yun?
and sex
Lights
on
on
the
or
side.
lights off?
Boy, abunda ka ba?
Lights on or lights off?
Ito na lang, dito na lang.
Kuya, lights on or lights off?
Lights on.
Lights on. Lights on or lights off?
Kapal naman ang mukha
Lights on,
mo.
boy. Yeah.
Lights on or lights off?
Dim light.
Lights on nga, di ba, mami?
Ayoko naman.
Sister, your next turn.
Eh, ba't hindi ka kasali? Dapat kasali.
Siyempre
ka.
ako interviewer.
Ako ba? Ba't ako? Ba't? Act out the way you cry. Ayoko na.
Kaya Japan, your turn.
With papadyak-padyak pa on the side.
Thoughts that you would share to help change our country's
Ay,
situation.
kuya, very ano.
Remove Duterte.
Hoy, wala na nga si Duterte.
Meron pa, may isa pa, si Sara.
I beg to disagree. Interviewer niya ako eh.
Ano ba naman interviewer to?
Bias? Nasaan na yun? Bias? Oh, wait.
Bias.
Let's pause for a break.
Continue na.
Ito sola yung binili mo.
Hindi kasi bilang
Painom ako si
Tuwing tinitake out. Ay.
Next, Tisum.
Yan, busog na.
Ano ba yan? Success is
Go bang. MJ.
MJ.
Hindi ako na sumasagot. Kuya.
MJ7.
Ano ba yan? Bakit siya pasagutin mo si Sam?
Success is winning, Javan.
Kuya.
Ano mo?
Ang dami ko na namang isi-sensor.
It is better to give than to receive. Agree.
Wow, good job. Sisum, how about you?
It is better to receive than and receive.
Receive and receive.
Oh, divorce is I hate it. Divorce is
Do you hate divorce?
now I don't hate. Before I like.
Magastos pa tuloy tayo.
Magastos, kuya. Next
Pasan nyo na yung
question.
divorce. Sarap.
What is your favorite color?
Oh my God, red.
What makes you like it?
Sexy
What now?
time.
Blue, black, white. I just love it.
Period.
Sisom, next.
Ito tayo, mami.
What do you daydream mostly about?
Money.
Alam mo na.
How you jump on the bed?
Kiss and tell.
Natatawa ko sa jump and the bed na yan.
Di ba?
No more
Diba?
monkey jumping on the bed.
Only Joe Van Damme. Need pa sipol-sipol on the side. Woo!
Hindi kayo ingat?
Ha?
Hindi ka na ingat?
Ako nainis? Pakay ko yun.
Sinasadya niya yun. Alam niya yun.
Yan, what is the most beautiful thing about marriage?
Bakit? Ba't mo ko tinatanong?
Anybody can answer the group. Interviewer nga ako eh.
Ano? What is the
What's
most...
the most beautiful thing about marriage?
You have someone to lean on to.
Wow.
Mahal, wala na akong pera.
Binigyan na kita, di ba?
Oh. Bayong.
Kuya, nagpabili ako ng bayong sa kanya.
Ayun.
Bayoy.
Next, Kuya Jong. Your turn.
My turn.
Mm-hmm.
Ano sa'yo pala yung phone ko?
Loneliness is a growing problem in our society. Loneliness is a growing problem in
Ano ba
our
yan?
society. It's not growing. It has been there since the beginning of time.
Ang galing sumagot ni Kuya. Dapat sinasali to sa Mr. Universe.
Hmm?
Nahuli, may kabit. Nasa likod niyo. Okay, next.
What important event in the history of the country have you participated in? Nothing. I
Hindi ka
think
bumoto?
politics.
Hindi ka
Hindi siya
bumoto?
bumoboto. Lately na lang, bumoto kami.
Ah, okay.
Politics.
Yung huli.
Si Manny Pacquiao binoto mo?
Oo, para pananggulong.
Para maiba.
Next, Kuya.
What sports would you like to indulge in? How does it help you? Oh, I like,
Swimming.
gusto ko golf. Gusto ko try ang golf.
Ba't hindi mo
how
subukan,
does it
Kuya?
help you? I think mentally.
Kuya, bakit
and,
hindi mo subukan?
Mental and, what do you call it?
Kuya, di ba yun ang rich man's game?
Yeah.
Maganda din yung
Go.
sa mga client mo, di ba?
Building
Kamalit
network.
eh. Okay, go.
But
Siso!
I already have a big network. I cannot handle it anymore.
Ah, really, Kuya?
Do you consider difficulties a blessing or disguise? A blessing in disguise.
Yeah.
Why?
May why pa? Wala na.
Walang why dito eh.
Interviewer ako.
A blessing in
Wala
disguise.
nang why eh.
Basta para pagka dumating na yung blessing, alam mong blessing.
Ano ba yan, mami? Seryoso naman. Sayang naman yung ano natin.
Ano?
Describe yourself as a pupil or student.
Naughty.
Ba't di mo
ako
sumasagot?
naughty. Hindi ako naughty. As a student, as a
Ang serious naman
pupil,
ang seryoso naman ito.
Ang ganda nga kausap, ni classmate eh.
sometimes I like to think
Of me?
you as a student or a teacher. And I'm a
Oh,
pupil.
okay. Come on.
Okay, come on, baby. Role play.
Roleplay. Laban!
Hashtag role play.
See?
Ba yan, mami? Ikaw na.
Kuya, napaka-wholesome ng asawa mo, no?
Namu. What has been the greatest act of kindness you have shown to another? Sino another?
Another, kahit sino.
Sige.
I think si Julia. Sa aso.
Yeah. Uy, ang galing mo naman.
Si adopted Julia.
Nung bumaha to. Nung bumaha.
Ano, basta, yun na yun.
Okay, Kuya, your turn.
Diba? Alam niyo diba yung mga sagot?
Comment on your country's president.
Puro politics na pupunta.
Yung Karen. Si
Ano ka ha?
Bongbong. Competent.
Ayoko mag-talk.
Bias.
Sasalita. Ano ka? Ano ka dapat?
Kuya, puro ano kuya, na politics na pupunta sa'yo, no?
If you were born in another time, what would you be? What? A flight attendant.
Like, oo nga.
What would you like to be? A flight attendant.
Layo
With
naman
a
ang
pilot
question.
on the side.
With a pilot on top.
I know. Are you a pilot?
Kuya, mukhang
I'd
rated,
like to
ano
be
ko,
a pilot
18 to.
on top of you. Uy, iba rin.
Kailangan kong ano yun to, Siso.
Edit. What changes would you like to see in your life?
Ito si
What
Idris ang
changes?
Ang galing ng tanong, ano?
Changes, bad habits.
Like,
Like recently
Scolding,
waking up late.
scolding mommy and
kala ko eating chicharon.
butchiron.
And
Including that.
butchiron.
Including that.
Butchiron. Ba't nahilig ka sa butchiron?
Lahat ng crunchy.
Kaya,
Nasisong kasi eh.
Hello?
How do you react if a friend provoked you to anger? Dead man.
dad ba kasi? Malit na. Si Mr. Politics. We'll be back in a short. We will be back in a short break.
Umalis si classmate.
Doon, yun ang favorite. Yun ang happy place ko, yun o. Okay. Tapos na?
Tara.
Halika na, come on in. Buti mo na yan, sis. Kami ni Gary.
Para ma...
Ang opo, pagka 3,000 up. Bali, ito po 20% po. Pagka